Right, today we're fitting a Towbar to the Mini Clubman. It's a 2013, bought as a practical runabout, but it's so good I'm going to keep it. So we need to put a Towbar on to put a cycle carrier on which can carry two bikes. So yeah, first thing we're going to do, take the bumper off. It looks like we've got 4 screws, one on the end, 2, 3, 4 on the other end. So it's a normal screwdriver. I'm hoping we don't have to jack the car up to do all this, but we will see. So there's one just here. One. Two. Put them close to that. Now onto the ends. The two end fixings are actually Torx. They're a T20 Torx, not a crosshead screw. So yeah. Right, T20 Torx. So that's it for underneath. So apparently, you can just pull these out. How can you? If you can see, there's another screw just in there. Mud flap just pulled a little bit. A little angled screwdriver. And there's the one for there. Same on the other side. I'll just show you there maybe. You can see them tabs. If you can just push the tab out, it'll come out of these holes. Out of these holes a bit better. But there's the screw there. Take that one off now. There we go. So there's another little screw here, which are one of those screw-in push type ones. So you can do it a little bit with that. Then if you've got a nice trim removal tool, just comes out nicely, and that frees up that. Right. Great little tool, this one. So yeah, it's one of those screw-in type, push-in type things. So we've done 2 screws, 2 Torx screws, 2 screws on the side, 2 screws on the side, and it should just pull out now. It just seems very stiff. I can't really get hold of it anywhere. You know, it's there we go. There we go. It's pulling out now. There she goes. Just pulls out. Have to be careful for the wires for the reversing sensors and the license plate light, I suppose. Which is what it's hanging on now. So if I can just show you, there's a few little wires along there. Just need to unplug them. Stick a screwdriver down there and pull it off. And just do that for the 4 rear sensors, then the bumper can be moved to a nice safe position. We've got 2 reverse and lamp switches. You're going to have to come and have a look down here. Like that. And these just turn anti-clockwise and the bulb comes out. Same with this one here. Turn anti-clockwise, bulb comes out. These are the switches. If you just stick a screwdriver in there and then just pull them off. So it goes in the top bit, because if you're strong enough you can squeeze it with your finger and thumb. Right, that's the bumper off. That was the hard bit. The easy bit now is just undoing 2 bolts this side, 2 nuts this side, and same on the other side. So a 13mm with an extension so you can reach it. One, and then up the top. Two. Alright, now we've got 2 nuts. That's the bottom nut. The top one is in there if you can see it as well. The good thing about this is these will be on studs, which means we'll be able to leave it rested on the studs. One nut. And the other nut. Small socket. That's better. So now just these 2 nuts. Right, I've just noticed these wires are bolted onto clips onto this bar. These clips here, there's a few of them, just go all the way along. Take them all out. We've undone all the wires. We can continue taking this off. There's the last nut. And then just pull it off. There we go. Right, let's get the Towbar. We'll get them on the studs. There we go. And just get the nuts. Put a nut on. I'll hold them in place. Same the other side. Where's the last nut gone? Last nut. There. Right, then tighten up as per your manual for the torque setting. Some might closer first, and then we'll torque them up when they're all nipped up. I always do them diagonally. Same on the other side. Tighten them up now. Again, go over these with your torque wrench before you put the bumper back on. And now I've noticed something, there's no places to clip these onto, so they're going to have to get sellotaped up, I think. So we're going to have to guess pretty much where these holes were, and that is probably near the first one. Just nice bright red tape. But whatever Towbar you get, it's probably going to be different anyway. All this video really is showing you how to take the bumper off, how to take the reinforcement bumper bar off, put your new bumper bar on, and then the rest is a bit really up to whatever Towbar you get, what fitting kit you get. In this case, just pushing the bumper back on and putting the screws on as we undid them before. So I'm going to mess about with this for a while now. I think I'll call it a day for the video because you've got the idea of everything. Haven't done the electrics. I got sent a standard electric kit, but this being a Mini BMW, I think it's got a CANBUS system, so I'm going to look into whether there's a plug-in harness maybe for this vehicle rather than fit this. So that's for another time. Electrics for another time. But that's the bumper on. Towbar all done. Oh, lights have come on now, it's that dark. Hope you found it useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and right, I'll see you on the next video.